FLIPTHROUGH Film channel. So today we are going to be unboxing this writing curriculum. It's from IEW, the Institute of Excellence Writing. So aside from Abeka, I am supplementing my kids for this year, this writing, because I've read a lot of good reviews about them. So when I opened the box, it came with this like sample brochures, like 10 tools, like their blogs and podcasts, and then it came with a receipt. There's some catalogs, arts of language. We're probably not going to use this since my kids are still too young, but there's another one. And this is the main book, and I purchased the one that you can it's for 3 to 5th grade. And so on the side of the book you'll see the year. So this is year 1 and level A basic. So you could also get the year 2 and so on, but for now I'm starting with the very basic. So here's the main. So this is the box. Let's open it. So here you go. So this is the first page. The next leaflet is just the activation code, so I had to cut that out because it has a unique pin so you can access the videos. So I think this is just what we're going to be working with. So let's open this up. So this is like a folder, as you can see. Oh, it comes with a book. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. So there's stuff for the students, and this is the structure style, the teacher's manual, and then you're supposed to be streaming. I think I need to like put some paperwork in here. So there's some folders where you can categorize their works, and the lessons would be on the video, so you have an access to the video. It's a lifetime access, which is really nice. And I purchased this. Where are you going now? So I really haven't visited the website yet for the lessons, but I'm only showing you what the hard copy is for. So I'm gonna show you this. This is a teacher's manual. It's gonna give you a quick view on how it looks like. So I'm just gonna. So here in the very back, you're gonna have some options on what to get next. But let me just gonna do a flip through on the random stuff that's in the book. So let's start from the beginning. So so that's how it looks like. Summarizing reference. Composition checklist. And then, and there you go. So, and then I'm supposed to like put this here for the students, the structure and style for students. And I think that's basically it. I'm gonna make another video after I looked at the videos online on what I think about it. But for the most part, this is the whole kit. You can purchase it on their store. They don't usually go on sale. It's around, I purchased it around I think $200+, but it's I think it's a good deal because you could use it for your other kids. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next one.